everyone, I am physiotherapist Dr. Ritika Gothi.
Today we are here with a video of some stretching exercises which are beneficial for desk job workers and people who have to work a lot on computers. Recently, we got a lot of queries about the exercises that need to be done to prevent wrist, neck, back and leg pain due to long hours of work from home. So, for all the professionals who are working hard during this lockdown, these exercises are beneficial now and even when they return to work in offices. So, let's get started. First, we will take neck exercise to reduce tension in muscle around neck and shoulders. First is flexion and extension. Bring your neck down and up in full range of motion. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Second is neck side rotation. Rotate your head side to side and repeat this also 10 times. Then rotate the neck clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times. Stop this if you feel dizziness. Next is trapezius stretch. Tilt your head sideways such as your ear touches your shoulders. Do not shrug your shoulders in the process. Repeat this exercise 5 times from each side. Chin tucks. Move your head backwards so as to tuck your chin in. Do it by placing a finger on chin to guide. Do not tilt your head back. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Posterior scaleni stretch. Hold shoulder with hand of same side and stretch muscle by pushing hand downward and sideways together. Repeat this exercise 5 times from each side. Shoulder shrugging exercise. Shrug your shoulders and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat for 10 times. Let's move on to exercises for your wrist joint and fingers and palm. Let's start with Namaste stretch. Keep hands in Namaste pose and push both hands inwards. Hold for 10 seconds. This helps relax muscles of forearm and palm. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Next is wrist rotation. Rotate the palm from wrist joint clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times. Next is wrist deviation. Make a fist, keep it in the position shown and move fist in up and down motion. Repeat this 10 times. Next is finger fanning. Make a fist and open it and stretch fingers outwards. Then again close the fist. Now let us see the exercises for back and legs. Sit to stand. Just stand up and sit down 10 times. Remember to keep your back straight. This will help relieve the tension in your back and hips joints. Figure of 4 exercise. This is piriformis stretch. Keep your foot of one leg on the thigh of other. Press folded leg down from knee and bend forward little bit from back. You will feel a stretch in the piriformis muscle. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 times from both sides. Knee extension. Do it while sitting on the chair and as space permits. Straighten your legs in front, hold and then keep down. Repeat this 10 times. Trunk rotation. Do it in sitting position or standing position. Rotate the trunk sideways and feel the stretch for 10 seconds. Repeat for 10 times on each side. Hand stretch. Put heel of one leg on chair and press down. Feel stretch in the back of the thigh. Repeat with the other leg. Do for 5 times on each side. Tendo Achilles stretch. Place a foot on the wall, press forward. Stretch is felt on the tendo Achilles or back of the calf. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat it 5 times for each side. Keep the knee of both legs straight during the exercise. Iliotibial band stretch. Take one leg behind the other one. Raise the opposite hand and bend sideways away from the side of the hand. Hold this for 10 seconds. Repeat it 5 times for each side. Back extension. Put your hands on your back and extend your back backwards. Hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat it 10 times. Do all these exercises and you will definitely feel that muscle tension has reduced significantly in some time. Make it a routine to do these in between your work schedule and you can prevent a lot of problems. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep exercising. Thank you.